Hello everyone! Welcome to my channel. Tonight we are going to make white buns. My husband will make it, so we are going to show you how to do it. Come on, let's go! Hello everyone, I'm going to show you the ingredients. First, this one is the yeast. That's the yeast. So that's 50 grams. It can be a wet yeast or a dry yeast. It's the same. So you can either use that or this one, because I think this one, the dry yeast, you can buy it everywhere, but this one, I'm not sure if it's available everywhere. And then 8 tablespoons of lukewarm water. And then 4 deciliters of milk. It's just fresh milk. And 8 teaspoons of sugar, white sugar. And then 1.5 teaspoons of salt. Plus 800 grams of flour. Okay, so here you are. Here you go. Okay, we're going to start by dissolving the yeast into the lukewarm water. Right. And here it is, the dissolved yeast. Okay, right? We are going to put all the ingredients. That's the yeast, the oil, the salt, the sugar, and the milk. Plus, we only have to put half portion of the flour as of now. Yeah. And then we are going to mix it. Okay. Another half of the flour is there, so we're going to remove it. Okay, and then we have to cover it to have the dough raised. Now we are done mixing it. We are going to let it stand for at least 20 minutes. We're going to put it on the table and we are going to form it as a bun. If you see that it is so sticky, then you can use flour. Or oil.
So
let's see if we will reach the goal. 20 pieces buns. So we're going to roll it. Roll it. Okay. And let it stand again and raise for hours.
1 hour.
Okay.
That's good.
When it is already rolled, then we have to let it stand for an hour and let it raise again. So leave plenty of space so when it is raised, it doesn't stick to each other. So that's how you do it. He is my master baker. Yeah, our daughter loves buns, so we decided to make it.
For the first time in many years.
For the first time in many years. I think when we first got married, he has been making buns, but for some time we became so busy, and then now again after 2 kids. So for 800 grams of flour, so you will make 20 pieces of buns. Okay, perfect. And then let it stand for an hour. And now it is already raised, and the oven was preheated to 225 degrees Celsius. We are ready to bake. Okay, and now we are going to take out the buns after baking it for 12 minutes. Okay, only 12 minutes. Alright. Bye-bye. Put the next batch, the 10 pieces. Yep. Oh, not the 10 pieces. Okay, go. Yes. And then another 12 minutes. And there is the bun. Exciting, we're going to try this. Okay, now let's try to check. So soft. Soft. Now let's put butter. And then, because my favorite is chocolate plus peanut butter. So yummy. So yummy. I think I will forget my husband because of this. But he's the one who's making this. So plus we're going to have fresh milk. Midnight snack. Yummy.
Thank you for watching. Subscribe, like, love it.